Proverbs 3 from verse 5 to 6 says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not to your own understanding, but in all your ways acknowledge him and he will direct your path. This moment I just want you to lift your hands and gaze on Jesus if you can. I'm living, breathing proof that things can change, that the saving gift of grace, it really stays. With all the twists and turns of my mistakes, how I made it over, you are the only way. I'm not perfect, don't always get it right, but I'd rather walk by faith and not by my foolish side. So lead me on, lead me on, lead me on, please lead me on. I love this verse so much. I may not have it all quite figured out. No, I don't think it matters. I think you like it that way. Jesus, you're the pot and I'm the clay. You're making me like you more and more every day. Oh, I'm not perfect. Come on, sing it loud. Always get it right, but I'd rather walk by faith and not by my foolish side. So lead me on. Come on, lead me on. Come on, sing it like you depend on him. Oh, please lead. It's not me, I'm leading. It's not me, I'm leading. No. Oh, lead me on. Oh, Jesus. Come on. Oh, Jesus. Lead me. Just one more time. Lead me on. Lead me on. Woo! Lead me on. Oh, Jesus, keep me. Oh, I'm convinced it's not because I am worthy to receive this kind of love that only you give. But I'm grateful for your mercy. Oh, and I'm grateful for your grace.